Welcome to Beginner's Guide with SolidWorks Bucket with Surfaces lesson. In a new part, add a sketch in the front plane. Draw the profile and dimension it as shown. From the Surfaces tab, select Revolved Surface and click OK. Add a new sketch in the front plane. Draw the profile indicated and dimension it as shown. Make a new revolved surface and click OK. Click on Trim Surface, use the Mutual Trim type and select both surfaces. Using the Keep Selections option, select the surfaces to keep and click OK. Select the edge indicated and add a fillet as shown. Click on Planar Surface, right-click on the edge, use Select Tangency and click OK. Click on the Extend Surface, select the top surface, enter the distance to extend and click OK. Add a fillet, select the Face Fillet option, select the flat face and the revolved surface, set the fillet radius, change the normal directions, and click OK. Add a new planar surface in the bottom edge. Make a face fillet in the bottom. Set the radius and normal directions and click OK. Click on the Thicken command, select the surface, enter the parameters and click OK. Add a new sketch in the front plane. Draw and dimension the profile as indicated. Make an extruded boss. In the From option, select Offset. Enter the offset distance. Change the direction and use the Up to Next End condition. Turn off the Merge Result option and click OK. Add a sketch in the new body. Draw a circle. And make an extruded cut. In the Feature Scope section, select the body to cut and click OK. Add a mirror about the front plane. Activate the Bodies to Mirror selection box. Add the body and click OK. Select the three bodies and combine them. Select Add to merge the bodies. And click OK. Add a fillet to the external face. Set the radius and click OK to finish.